In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your public privacy settings on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and explore these settings together. First, let's start by heading over to linkedin.com. Open your web browser and type in the URL, or you can simply search for LinkedIn on your preferred search engine and click on the link to take you to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log in. You can do this using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can use your email address and password to access your LinkedIn profile. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone number. Just enter the code when prompted, and you'll be directed to your LinkedIn feed. Next, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Me icon. This is located toward the right-hand side and is represented by your profile picture. Once you click on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy to access LinkedIn's privacy settings. Within the settings, look for the Visibility section. Click on Visibility, which is where you can start making changes to how your profile is seen by others. Under Visibility of your profile and network, you'll find a variety of options. Here, you can control who can find your profile using your email address. Options range from allowing anyone to find you to restricting it to your first-degree or second-degree connections. Similarly, you can decide who can find you using your phone number. It's a good practice to review these settings and ensure that you are comfortable with who has access to your contact information. Within the Visibility section, you also have control over who can see your activity, such as comments and reactions. This is useful if you want to manage how much of your engagement is visible to others. Additionally, LinkedIn gives you the ability to manage your feed preferences. Here, you can determine who sees your email address and adjust settings related to content on your feed. This ensures that your email isn't easily accessible without your explicit permission. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your LinkedIn profile reflects your desired level of privacy and security. It just takes a few minutes, but these adjustments can go a long way in protecting your online identity. Remember, maintaining the right balance of visibility and privacy is crucial in today's online world. Now that you know how to manage these settings, you're well equipped to keep your LinkedIn profile secure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.